Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the EchoSmile Heavy Duty Collapsible Wagon, a versatile utility cart designed for outdoor adventures and everyday convenience. This wagon boasts a robust 350-pound capacity, thanks to its heavy-duty metal frame and durable 600D fabric with a waterproof PVC coating, ensuring it can handle even the toughest tasks. With dimensions of 35.4 by 21.6 by 19.6 inches and a folding size of just 30 by 20 by 7 inches, it's incredibly easy to set up in seconds and store compactly in your car or garage without any assembly required. The all-terrain wheels, measuring 4 by 7 inches, make it perfect for navigating sandy beaches, snowy paths, dirt trails, and grassy parks, while the telescopic handle adjusts from 20 to 30 inches for comfortable pulling. Whether you're heading to the beach, camping, or simply running errands, this folding utility wagon is your go-to solution for transporting heavy loads with ease. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that EchoSmile has your back. Don't miss out on the convenience and durability of this all-terrain wagon, perfect for making your outdoor experiences more enjoyable and hassle-free.